These are camel oil pastels. You know, Camel is very cheap and a local brand here in India. So I'm using this one. These are soft, not very hard and not even very soft, somewhere in middle. Okay, I have another one which is Feather Pastel, and this is little bit harder. These pastels are hard, and when your pastels are hard, it will give you more realistic kind of work. Okay, so if your pastels are hard, there is no problem with the pastels. Only you have to learn how to select the right pastels. Another one, I have the Mungyo brand, so I use somewhere in a top. So if you are completely brand new with oil pastels, Mungyo set of 12, it's good to experiment with the small sets. Okay, so you will get some idea. So these are again not very soft and not very hard, somewhere in middle.